Safety has long been one of our fundamental values. At the core of every Mercedes-Benz are technologies that we enhance and merge to improve our holistic safety concepts. As a result, the new S-Class is the embodiment of integrated safety, with reflexes that remind us of animals. For example, in the event of a side crash, various safety systems work together to lift the whole body in the blink of an eye to protect the passengers. And the new S-Class will offer an airbag for backseat passengers. With this innovation, we are once again setting new standards in safety in the industry. The best technologies are the ones that our customers don't even notice, but can simply enjoy while driving. With the new S-Class, we are introducing the latest generation of our driver assistance systems. We offer features like our new augmented reality head-up display. It makes driving easier and safer, hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. And I personally love the amazing graphics. Our customers will love that a significant part of these intelligent assistance systems will come standard with the new S-Class. This is our journey towards autonomous driving. And we are getting close. With the new S-Class Level 3, conditional automated driving is near. Our plan is to introduce our Drive Pilot in Germany in the second half of 2021. But there's more. The S-Class is pre-equipped and ready for the world's first Level 4 system. No driver needed. The intelligent Park Pilot in combination with the Mercedes Me service makes driverless parking in public garages possible. However, this depends on infrastructure and local legislation, so it might still take some time for customers to be able to enjoy this technology. But the S-Class was always ahead of its time. One more thing I really love about this car. It's big and it's agile. This is thanks to our new rear axle steering, which can turn the rear wheels in both directions up to an angle of 10 degrees. Not only does it reduce the car's turning radius by almost 2 meters, making it more maneuverable in tight spots, it also leads to greater stability while on the highway. This is technology at its best. Comfortable, supportive, and safe. And this is what matters to us. Luxury through human-centered innovation.